Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on REALME GT Neo 5. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And now use volume buttons to move to your language and press power button. And from here you have to select format data, and here you have to enter your verification code. And then click format. Then click OK. And you just have to wait. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.